Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best in health, wellness, and nutrition. Today, we have an incredibly important topic to discuss: top anti-cancer foods. Whether you're looking to prevent cancer or support your body during treatment, the foods you choose can make a significant difference. First on our list are cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These vegetables are rich in sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have potent anti-cancer properties. Sulforaphane works by detoxifying harmful substances in our bodies, protecting our cells from damage, and even slowing the growth of cancer cells. Studies have shown that regular consumption of these veggies can reduce the risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. One delicious way to incorporate more broccoli into your diet is by making a broccoli stir-fry. It's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Next up, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious, but also powerful anti-cancer foods. They are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and ellagic acid, which help protect cells from damage. Ellagic acid has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and deactivate certain carcinogens. Plus, the fiber in berries supports healthy digestion, which is crucial for overall wellness. Try adding a handful of berries to your morning smoothie for a refreshing and health-boosting start to your day. Turmeric, often known as the golden spice, is another superstar in the fight against cancer. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin has been studied extensively and has shown promise in reducing the growth of cancer cells and preventing the spread of tumors. It's particularly effective against breast, bowel, stomach, and skin cancers. One of my favorite ways to enjoy turmeric is in a soothing turmeric latte. It's warm, comforting, and incredibly beneficial for your health. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support a healthy immune system and protect against cancer. These greens are rich in carotenoids, which are pigments that help protect cells from damage. They also contain high levels of fiber, which aids in detoxifying the body and reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Try making a vibrant salad with a mix of leafy greens, nuts, and a light vinaigrette for a nutrient-packed meal. Garlic is not just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's also a potent anti-cancer food. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that have been shown to boost the immune system's defenses against cancer. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, helps to reduce inflammation and can prevent the formation of cancer-causing substances in the body. Regular consumption of garlic has been linked to a lower risk of stomach, colon, and esophageal cancers. One simple way to enjoy garlic is by making a garlic-infused olive oil. Use it to drizzle over salads, vegetables, or as a base for cooking. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their red color. Lycopene has been extensively studied for its cancer-fighting properties, particularly in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Cooking tomatoes, such as in a tomato sauce or soup, increases the availability of lycopene. Regular consumption of tomatoes has been associated with a lower risk of lung, stomach, and prostate cancers. Whip up a homemade tomato sauce and use it over whole grain pasta or as a base for healthy pizzas. It's a delicious way to boost your lycopene intake. Green tea is another fantastic addition to your anti-cancer diet. It's rich in catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and reduce the formation of new blood vessels and tumors. Studies suggest that drinking green tea regularly can lower the risk of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. It's also a great way to stay hydrated and improve overall health. Enjoy a cup of green tea in the morning or afternoon to reap its many health benefits. Nuts and seeds are small but mighty when it comes to fighting cancer. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are packed with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Walnuts, for example, contain compounds that can reduce inflammation and prevent cancer cells from growing. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which have been shown to reduce the risk of breast cancer. Create a custom trail mix with your favorite nuts and seeds for a convenient, nutrient-dense snack. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are excellent sources of fiber and protein. They also contain various phytochemicals that have anti-cancer properties. The high fiber content in beans helps to maintain a healthy digestive system and can lower the risk of colorectal cancer. Additionally, the antioxidants in beans protect cells from damage. Whip up a hearty bean stew for a comforting and nutritious meal that's packed with cancer-fighting ingredients. Last but not least, we have citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, which can help protect against cancer. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system and helps repair damaged cells. The flavonoids in citrus fruits have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation. Enjoy a refreshing citrus fruit salad as a snack or dessert to take advantage of these amazing benefits. And there you have it, folks. These are the top anti-cancer foods you should consider incorporating into your diet. Remember, a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet rich in these foods, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful habits, can go a long way in reducing your cancer risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.